Shout outs to Team Nayadith. You're welcome back to the channel, and today I'm basically going for the girls, but if you're a guy and you're watching, you can teach your girlfriend, your wife, your sister, any lady around you. Okay, so today I want to teach you how to put on your sanitary pads. As the name goes, we need to practice sanitation down there in our vaginal area. So I'm going to teach you how to put on your sanitary pad. I hope you are ready. Come on, let's go. Okay, so welcome back. Thank you for still staying tuned. We are going to the practical aspect. Today is practical. It's not only talking. Alright, so I got two different panties from my delivery man, and they're in different sizes. I don't know the size that you use out there. Okay, I have this one here and another here, depending on the kind of sizes that you use. Yeah, we have different sizes here because our waist can't be the same. Some are fat, some are slim. So which one do we go for? Is it this or this? Alright, I'll go for this. Okay, so before you start, you wash your hands. So I've already washed my hands and they are clean. So now we are moving on to the main procedure. Okay, so alright, so I'm not here to advertise for anyone, so don't concentrate on the brand, concentrate on the procedure. Alright, so let's go. So you unwrap this thing like this, okay, and then you unwrap this one too. You just remove it this way. Then you take your panty, you turn it this way, and then this place is sticky, so you make sure you don't touch your hands with that place, and then you position this thing here, okay, this way. All right, and then I'll take this thing off. Then I turn my panty this way, and then I bring the wings behind, okay, and then I do same to this end, okay. All right, so after that I will be having next day. You see how pretty it looks? Yeah, very nice and simple. So this, you just have to put in your legs, one leg here, and then you wear it comfortably. So that's how we put on our sanitary pads. And after few hours, for those who bleed a lot, you have to change for like 3 to 4 times each day during your menses, and those that bleed lesser would have to change like just twice a day. So after a few hours, if you want to change your sanitary pad, or during the evening when you're going to take your bath and you want to take off your sanitary pad, that is how you go about it. After pulling down your panty, just as we put it on, you start this way. You bring out the first wing and you bring out the second wing. Make sure your hands doesn't touch it. So after that, you start folding, okay. Fold it gently and an interesting way. It looks some way to a lot of us. Anywhere you want to go. All right, and then you can use paper, or you can use the wrap that you used before. You roll it over this way, and then you put it into, you can wrap it into a poly bag, tie it nicely, and then you drop it into your bin this way. Simple. You put your panty into your dirty linen basket. Wash your hands after removing also, and then you change your panty and change your sanitary pad. So that's how you put on your sanitary pad. Remove it and you discard appropriately. Try to wash your hands before and after handling your sanitary pads. Thank you for watching this video. My day still stands and it's still Nayadith. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing, thanks for dropping down your comments, and I'll attend to all questions at the right time. Have a nice day.